and welcome to this video. So this video is kind of like a couple days of uni that I'm showing, I guess, and my lecture's playing in the background, so I'm trying to talk really quickly. But today's a Monday and I think I'm gonna film Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just because I've already filmed Friday and I have Thursdays off. I guess I just want to show what like subjects I'm doing this year as like a third year psychology student. It feels really weird to say that, and I guess show what it's like online maybe. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you kind of an idea of the things you may study. Yeah, so that's the video. And this morning I had a lecture, but I didn't because it's kind of like an online course kind of thing, so all morning I just struggled with that because I didn't know how to log on and it was just confusing. Then I had tutoring and now I'm back. I had like 5 minutes, so I quickly made a coffee, and then like as soon as this lecture's done I'm at the house for another tutoring class, and then my last tutoring got cancelled, so it's a very busy day. Mondays are quite busy, but I hope you enjoy this video. Basically, I'm back to listening because I could be missing some potentially important information, although it's just kind of like intro stuff, so I lit a candle, but I'm just going through today's lecture notes and I'm putting them onto Google Drive, trying to make sense of them, and I'm going to print them at the end of the week. For now, I just want to have them on here so I can then understand them and annotate them. And I'm also doing this to annotate them. That's the time. It's weird studying in general and sitting at my desk at this time because I usually don't, but I kind of have to now because I have more tutoring than I did last year, so like my afternoons are just going to be filled with stuff. From like 9:30 until 3 I just have a lot of classes and then I have tutoring, so it's kind of another busy day. I just had this class and so far not a fan at all. We had to split into groups and that's just not fun. However, I don't know, it just seems like it's going to be a lot of work. And the next class that I have today is this workshop. I don't know what to expect. It's probably going to be similar to the class I had before, although that one's more to do with like psychometrics, so I don't know. And it's to do with like tests and how they are laid out, like questionnaires. My first lecture of today is neuropsychology. Today I have 2 lectures in a class, and these 2 lectures I'm quite excited for. I hope I won't be let down and I hope it won't be really boring, but it's neuropsychology and then I have a lecture on psychiatry. Quite intrigued. It's supposed to begin at 12. It's nearly 12, it's 11:59 and today is kind of busy. Like I have class from 12 to 5 with like 15-minute breaks between like the next lecture and so on, but this morning I was just reading, just having a nice calm morning, and then I did some writing because I like writing and I haven't really spent much time writing recently, so decided to do some writing. Now I'm waiting for this lecture which it's supposed to start like now, so I hope I'm in the right place. So I got a bit bored during the lecture, so I've come to the kitchen to look at the pretty sky, just to go for a walk to the kitchen. So far the lecture is very interesting. It's just very intro stuff, so I don't know, like the sides of the brain and what they're responsible for, neuroscience and stuff like that. So, yeah, so far it is okay, and that's why I'm here, because it's nearly the end of the lecture as well, so I've made all my notes. I just needed a break to come and sit here, really, and the pigeons are all flying off. I think it's gonna rain. That would explain my headache. The lecture that I just had finished earlier, and now I'm waiting for this lecture. There's a 15-minute break between the two, and I got some toast because I am really hungry and I haven't eaten anything like since this morning. I've also still got my coffee, but it's gone cold. I think I might make a cup of tea like in the middle of this lecture when I finish my coffee, because it's also weirdly cold. That is what I'm doing, waiting for this lecture, and it's quite a gloomy day outside. Honestly, it just makes me want to like sit in bed all day, and I could have these lectures from bed, but that wouldn't be a good thing for my productivity. It's only the first week, and like the first week's usually the easiest because you don't have much to learn yet. Time to eat my toast and wait for this lecture.